Okay.
Pretty on the realest in the city. The plug got a worth of baby showing up. Only talk about bands when he hit me. Chose him, he ain't get me. We never do it quick.
That's what we doing, baby. Big shout outs to Maddie. I see y'all, baby. I see y'all. Hot girl summer. Come on. Hey, hey.
5, 6 figures.
Sing it with me. Ho. Wow. 1, 2, hit me.
Drinking on weekend, I'm looking at your. If it's funny, why eat it like a sticker? I ain't got time for you fake. Talking all loud in them fake clothes.
Hey, come on, come on. That's right, come on. Hey,
act up, you can get smashed.
Ladies,
act up, you can get smashed.
That's how we doing this, baby.
Act up, you can get smashed.
Come on,
dirty,
come on, come on, come on, come on.
It's your mind,
Wow. Hey,
trying to trade us, brand new chain city girls going platinum. I keep a baby black. I ain't fighting with no red.
That's how we doing this, baby.
Is you serious?
Nino, cut it, Nino, cut it, Nino. Wow. Damn, okay.
I'm not playing.
Hey. Come on. Birthday boy in the building. Ratchet Fridays. Raceway Park. Come on. Hey. 1, 2. Here we go. Hey. On the game. Big shout out to my man Hybrid, man. Y'all seen that birthday boy in New Jersey, baby? Representing, baby. That's what we doing. She practiced that. That was lit, baby. That was lit. Big shout outs to Alexis from Matawan, New Jersey, baby. So this is what we gonna do. Hey, take note, y'all. Take note, y'all. She represents for the ladies. Come on. $100, baby. $100 cash. Woo! Whoa. Come on. Whoa. Hey. Shout out to you. Go. Ho. Come on. Hands up. Come on. Hey. Woo. Hey. Come on. Hey. Hey. That's right. Ratchet Friday. Come on. Whoa.
noise. He got some fans. The Silverado, make some noise. We gonna give it up to the red Audi. He was a 17. We ready to get this going? Y'all want the Honda to go first? Make some noise. Y'all want the Nissan to go first? Woo! Alright. I heard that. I know when this Nissan pulled up, a lot of people are like, yo, he's loud. But what y'all think right now? You think that 2000 got it? Y'all think the Nissan got it? Yeah, whatever you gotta do, you gotta step it up. Because right now, they're saying the Nissan got it. Y'all ready to see this heads up? Nissan! All right. Before they even do anything, who thinks the Audi's gonna win? Oh man, that's a lot of people. If y'all think the Nissan's gonna win, make some noise. Woo! You know we got some money for whoever wins, right? We got some stacks over there ready to give out. This ain't no free contest. It's 200 cash to the winner. And next month, if y'all got some tires that you're trying to kill, we got 400 next month. August 24th, $400 to the Burnout Battle winner. Tonight we giving away 200 to the two-step battle winner. All right, everybody, chill out. We got a lot of people excited back there. Hold on, before we got too many people who rolled on. Let's push them forward a little bit. I know this Nissan was spitting some fire, dragon flames. A little bit more. We had the dragon spinner right here. All right, we're good right there. All right, so we're gonna get this going. The Audi, the red Audi. Heads up, red Audi, you ready to go? He said, hold up. All right, he's ready. Wait for it. The Nissan. 3, 2, go! No more. You didn't even hear that. But we're gonna go heads up anyway. We still gotta go heads up. Hold on, before you go heads up, let me get you to pull forward for the photo. Alright, here we go. Heads up, guys. How do you need some time? I don't know. Alright, let's get it going. Watch my man John Paul.